how to transfer money from BBVA to another bank step by step. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can transfer your money from BBVA to another bank. So first of all, you need to open a new browser tab and come to bbva.es/en/personas.html. That's the official website of BBVA, and after coming here you have to just log into your account. So let's say log into your account, and after clicking on access, it will redirect you to a login page, and you have to give your username or an IE or passport or an MS card, and after that you have to give your login password, and after that you have to click on login, and then it will send you a OTP through your designated number or your email address. You just have to simply give the OTP, and then you are good to go. You are logged in, and after that you have to specify the number of the account you want to transfer to BBVA, and after that you have to choose what you want to bring over: transfers, income and bill balance, etc., and enter the contact details of your payers, and they will notify them to change the direct debit and choose the transfer date. They will need at least 15 business days to complete the process. In less than 48 hours from your application, you will have everything ready. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.